So
What are we going to do here?
we are cleaning with compressed air our cleanable, reusable furnace filters. And I'm using the compressed air as opposed to washing it. I've done washing before where I've done it at the sink, or maybe I've taken them into the shower with me and put the spray in the shower head to a suitable setting and did my best with that. And it does okay, but I think this is quicker and easier and a little bit less trouble. And you can see this one I've already cleaned, and you can see the airflow is flowing this way. So this is the side that I direct the air this direction, the opposite direction of the normal airflow to clean it. This one has not been cleaned, and that one has, and you can see the clear difference. This one is getting pretty well plugged up. And to my way of thinking, furnace filters serve two general purposes. To me, the primary purpose is to protect the furnace and give it more longevity, because this stuff will tend to, if it gets through to all the components in the furnace, it's going to tend to shorten its life. The other purpose is to protect our respiratory systems. I don't give that the primary purpose. Many people will put that as the primary purpose, but I'm seeking to extend the time before I have to spend money on the furnace.
You want to cover your nose?
I do, and we'll give a demonstration of how effective the compressed air is here in a second.
And faster?
I think it is a little faster overall. Okay, so this side doesn't look as dirty because this is the output side when it's in the furnace, and this is the input side, and that's where all the dirt's being caught. So if you put the camera pointed this way, you can see the dirt coming off of it. Putting in replaceable furnace filters, because that can get expensive, because you get really good ones.
Okay, I'm gonna go now. It's loud in here.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Voila.
All clean.
And I'll go ahead and clean the grill.
All right.
It's not as bad now as it was before. It was bad before.